Hi there, how are you? I'm fine. Today I'm gonna share with you my daily routine. Actually, very early at the morning, I wake up. It is about 5:30 a.m. After that, I take a glass of fresh water, then get fresh. After complete my frozen prayer, I usually go to outside for free hand exercise. Here I do some free hand exercise and at least 20 minutes walking to get fresh air. Almost 30 to 40 minutes I spend outside. It keeps me very fit and energize myself. That's why I am doing huge work throughout the day, but I don't feel laziness. I don't feel tired. After that, I return to my apartment and take bath as well as complete my breakfast and then ready to go for office. After this reaching office, I usually start my task earlier assigned task because first 2 hours are very important for me because this is very productive hour. Thank you very much.